fucking hungry that we went in our purses and grabbed all the change on the bottom and came to the laundromat to get this really cheap vending machine. We got like 8 things.
We're that hungry. We get like 4 things to eat.
I can't fit them in my bag though because it has 2 pillows in it. But yeah. What?
Is that all?
Yeah.
Wait.
There's one more.
You're naughty.
Oh, are we in the... We're taking too long. Sorry. Ow, I hit my hand. I went to wave to him and I slammed my hand.
And I feel like I need to holding 4 fucking bags of chips just walking up the fucking laundromat.
So we're going on an adventure in town. We don't know what we're doing. We're going places.
Danny's gonna come pick us up.
Yeah, in like an hour though. We have to like waste time here.
We can sit in the whatever that thing's called. That thing.
Gazebo or the bank?
Like not a bank, it's a gazebo.
Oh yeah.
We eat our chips and cookies.
Yeah, look at all this shit we got. I know a really cool spot where it's scary though. We might get raped, but
I don't want to get raped. We'll have it on video. So people know what happened to our bodies.
And we'll be porn stars.
Oh heck yeah.
Yeah,
That's my goal. What would you do if
that
I
man
became a porn star one day?
I'd be kind of shocked and ashamed of you. Oh look, cheers! Like a table.
Aw. Is that the deli though? Is that a property building right here? No 2 legs.
I got a text message. Peace, nigga.